Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset or change wallet uh, that you have connected in the Hamster Combat. I'm talking about the Tone wallet. Let's go and check it out. Before going into the topic, I want to show you the main point of the Hamster Combat. You will be given the tokens based on the points earned per hour. Like I earned 518k points in 3 hours, so that this will be count, right? Yeah. So I'm going to show you today's Morse code. Today's Morse code is NFT. Let's put it out. For N you have to hold and then tap. For F you have to double tap, then hold and then tap. For T you have to just hold. So you will be given 1 million points. Alright, let's go to our main topic. You have to click on the airdrop below right corner at the bottom, then click on the Tone wallet, connect your Tone wallet. It is already connected, so we have to disconnect it. But how we can disconnect it? Tap on it and then tap on the cross. You can see here, yeah, tap on the cross and then yes. Sorry, my English is weak, but I hope you will understand what I mean. Now connect your new wallet. I have already connected the new Telegram wallet. Let's open the wallet in Telegram. Right, now they will ask for permission. You have to connect it. Now it is connected and the wallet address will be changed. You have seen the wallet address is changed successfully. So by this way you can disconnect or remove your old Tone wallet and connect your new Tone wallet. Thank you for watching.